Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your wallet on a Wcoin. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to the channel before we dive into it, and also leave a like on this video if you'll find this guide useful. Now, once you have logged into your Telegram and opened up Wcoin, you will have an option to connect your wallet, and it is at the top right corner where it's gear icons and settings. So you want to go ahead and click the left button, and it's a wallet. So you will see it here. You want to go ahead and click connect your wallet. You will have all of these options like Timekeeper, My Ton Wallet, Telegram, and so on and so forth. So you will have these options. I'm just going to use Timekeeper today. And now you need to click connect wallet, enter the passcode, and after that it's all done. Now you have received 100 Wcoins, as you can see, for the wallet connection. So now your wallet is connected and an account is verified. And that's basically it, guys, how you connect your wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.